dears, today we are going to learn EAK, EEK sound and double EK sound. Let us see. EA makes the sound of E, and when K is added to EA, when K is added to EA, it makes the sound of EEK. It makes the sound of EEK. Example: B-A-B-E-A-K, beak. A के sound words: L-E-A-K, leak, T-E-A-K, teak, B-E-A-K, beak, W-E-A-K, weak, P-E-A-K, peak, B-L-E-A-K, bleak, C-R-E-A-K, creek, F-R-E-A-K, freak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, T-W-E-A-K, tweak. Now let us see other sound. Double E-K sound. Double E-K makes the sound of eek. Example: C-H double E-K, cheek. M double E-K, meek. S double E-K, seek. P double E-K, peak. L double E-K, leak. W double E-K, weak. R double E-K, reek. C-H double E-K, cheek. C-R double E-K, creek. G-R double E-K, Greek. And S-L double E-K, sleek. Thank you.